Happy holidays. I'm Stephanie and welcome back to Traditional Home. Come along as I clean and decorate my coffee table for the winter season. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment. I'm so glad that you are here. Until this is Stephanie at Traditional Home. This is what I'm using. I'm using Murphy wood cleaner. See the crack? I was lifting this table trying to move it instead of pulling it. I tried to lift it up and it turned over and it broke. But I like it, so I did try to. I didn't throw it away, but I can have this piece go and get that measured to get the piece for it. I also use this Murphy wood cleaner on the floor as it works really well, makes it shine, bring the life back to the wood. Okay. I'm going to start with this section right here. I have bought nothing, everything I've had already. Okay, then we're going to go to this section right here. And now to the middle section. And I'm going to put this in the center. You've seen this before, this platter. I'm going to sit it here. And then since I have that white and green garland on the fireplace, let's see if I can show you that. I'm going to bring it down here to the table. Now this was solid green and I just took some paint and added just a little bit of the white. Now, I have burgundy as a base, as you can see from my pillows. So I'm going to add some of these cranberries to just beef up. And it's not going to go all the way, but it will be. Then I'm going to put this bowl here. And right here, I'm going to put, this used to say, the kitchen is the heart of the home. I put the Lord here is the heart of the home. And I wanted a cloche there, so I made my own with some things I've already had. I'm going to show you how I did it. Using this as the base. Can I straighten that up just a little? And then I'm going to sit this in here. And then I'm going to add these little balls to it. Berries. They were blue, I believe, and I just changed the color. Now, and this is the top that goes to one of my bases. And I'm just going to sit it here so it can act as though it would be lifted by it. But in actuality, it will not. I really do appreciate you being here today. Now let's get a look at the table. Yeah, here we go. Thank you for spending a little time with me today. If you like something that you've seen today with this coffee table, winter decor, would you subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell so when I do more videos, you will be aware of them. Thank you. This is Stephanie from Traditional Home.